Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I want to help my family here in the Philippines, ma'am, and to save money for my children's education.
Okay, why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I like Malaysia, ma'am.
You like
Because,
Malaysia. Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
yes, my name is Lorraine Manahan, 35 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, one boy and one girl. Um, their age is 10 years old and 5 years old. I I live in Anda, Pangasinan. And I am Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I have experience here in the Philippines of domestic helper in 3 years, from April 2022 to April 2025. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning, cooking, ironing, take care of children, take care of pets, and washing clothes.
Okay,
Marketing also.
marketing. Okay,
Yes.
so thank you for your good introduction. So, but I would like to know some few more details from you first. Okay, so when is your birthday?
April 23, 1990.
April 20.
23, 1990.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 58 kilograms.
Okay, what is your husband occupation and how old is your husband?
My husband is um, a salesman, and he is 42 years old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents, ma'am, here in the
How,
Philippines.
how old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents, ma'am, is my father is for, um, 59 years old and my mother is 60 years old. And her occupation, my mother is a housewife and my father is farmer, ma'am.
Okay, what about how many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brothers and two sisters. I am the second of the family.
Okay, so working as a domestic helper, you know that it is not so easy. It is a very, very tough job, and this is a 2 years contract. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come into work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you have a working experience in the Philippines as a housemaid. It's a stay-in maid, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in or stay out?
I'm staying, ma'am.
Okay, you worked there for 3 years, way back 2022 to 2025, and according to you, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, marketing, take care of children, and you take care of pets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
One, ma'am.
How old is the child?
11 years old, ma'am.
What pets you are taking care of?
Pets
What?
dog,
How many dogs?
One, ma'am.
One dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I'm finished contract, ma'am.
Finish contract. So, working as domestic helper is, as I have mentioned just a while ago, is very tough one. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. I am telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare? What dish you can cook?
Filipino food, ma'am. Pork adobo, sinigang, ginisang
Okay.
gulay.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't afraid of any dogs, cats, snakes, rabbits? Okay, so you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, yeah? Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's okay. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. But if you agree, it's fine also. You can come, work properly, and don't give us problem, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to work quite far away from your family and you are a first timer. Mostly or frequently, homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later?
I will focus to my work, ma'am, if I feel homesick.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Luring. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.